Baby Browning, question mark? There's a cash register. Might be payday. Look at that. Dude, that's an old bolt action. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. On today's adventure, we are out here in Cook County Forest Preserve. This is a new spot. This is not the same Forest Preserve as last time, but there is a juicy bridge right over here awaiting us. We got a couple of my buddies in the back, guys. Their YouTubes are gonna be linked down below in the description. But with that being said, let's get the magnets on the back of the truck and do some magnet fishing here today. Weird items on here. What is that? That's so weird. It's broken now, but if you guys have any idea what this is, please let me know in the comments below. Oh, it broke. Some other stuff on there. Oh, yep, piece of rebar. Some weird wires. That's actually like a clamp to a muffler. Not bad. And some little pieces of sheet metal. There's that log again. Let's see what JJ got. Infinity? Yeah. Another key fob. That's still, yeah, that's a diller. We're stuck on something huge. I think it was that tree branch. So I got a piece of rebar, a bolt, and that's about it. Just some scrap. Another set of keys for a truck. Yep. Dude, that's nuts. That's like 12. It's insane. Wire, concrete with a nail, more rocks, another bullet. Yeah, there's a big gun out there. They keep calling it like AR shells. I don't even know what caliber it is. Nope, a bolt. Yep. Oh no, a big old bolt with some concrete still on it. I should have brought my 200 foot of rope out, but it's so tangled right now, I don't even want to mess with it. Oh, 3 pieces of rebar and a piece of wire.
It's 2014. I don't know. Chevy.
Oh, GM?
Yeah, it's a Chevy key.
Oh, big old crate. That's insane. It's a heavy find right there. Chucked it in the pile. Oh, and whatever this is. It's pretty weird. Put it up. Looks like another bolt. Some weird sheet metal right there. Oh, piece of rebar. Wish I had a sawzall on me. Huh? Yeah, I need something. Big old bolt. Big old bolt. Big old piece of pipe.
Oh man.
Nice little 25 caliber.
Dang.
Baby Browning, question mark?
Wow. That is crazy.
Yeah, that looks like a Baby Browning. No, that's a little too big. Congrats. First gun of the day.
Definitely not a BB gun. Dude, that's such a cool one. That little, I love.
That looks like a 22 more than a 25 though.
It says something. Oh, we got 2.
GMC in. what was that, Cadillac or Buick?
Buick.
Buick and GMC, not bad.
Luxury car brands.
Hey. Some weird scratch. Oh, that's an old wagon wheel.
What is it?
An old wagon wheel.
Oh, no way. That's one of the things I've been trying to find.
That's broken though.
Yeah.
It's so old. Got a clamp, another thing of keys on there.
No way.
Got a piece of metal.
Dude, how many freaking pairs of keys?
And they're all from a dealership. Someone robbed the dealership for all the keys.
For sure, another Cadillac.
That'd be pissed. You own a dealership and like you come back, there's no keys, but you got all the cars still.
You literally gotta get.
Yeah, that would suck.
And them things aren't expensive, the new key fobs.
Oh, they're crazy.
Nissan. Some other wire. That's it, stuff bad. See if you can get on the shore. We can hand you the rope. If you can get down from down here, I can hand you the rope. You see what I mean? Climb up that. All right, so he's being spider monkey. If you all three pull, you might be able to pop it over it.
We can get it over there, the rope.
Try to fish it around the tree. No clue what we got on here. Oh, well, we got a Jaguar key fob and some sheet metal. Not bad. And another car fob. The Mercedes. Not bad. Yep. So we got a big bolt, metal. Oh.
Old Cadillac?
Yeah, old Cadillac.
Infinity?
Another Infinity.
Acura.
Right. No, that's Infinity. Ah! On my finger. I got some keys on here. Cadillac.
Cadillac?
Yeah, they're not there.
That's crazy. That's like 6 for Cadillac.
Yeah, that's a magnet. That's how they stuck them to the board. I got a bolt and a nail. What the heck is this? What is this? So Miles just found a bolt action. Dude, what the hell is this? What is this?
What the?
I thought it was a scooter at first.
I don't know. What is it? What?
Let's take another look at that. Dude, that's an old bolt action.
Yeah, that's cool.
And they had the barrel sawed off.
Yeah. That's
Heck
pretty
yeah, 2 guns. Hey, we gotta find one now.
I need a magnet fish.
And a big old fishing hook. I'll take it. Big old piece of rebar. Piece of rebar and piece of sheet metal. Oh. Got some more keys on there. That's a normal hair. Key fobs and stolen keys.
No shit.
Oh, look at that Cadillac, brand new. Oh, 2 pairs.
2 pairs, motherfucker.
Look.
Infinity. This is probably like our 20th one today. And what this is, I have no clue what that is.
Cadillac.
Look at all those.
Damn! Ford.
Ford, Mercedes.
That's a Hellcat.
Oh, no way.
That's the SRT, yeah. It's a Hellcat.
Dang.
And why is this got tape to it?
Is that a lock or what?
Yeah,
Oh, it's
That's they're all together. Dang, SRT, hey, someone got...
Are you filming it?
Yeah, I always put it on YouTube. Check it out, Danny Dip. We got a cash register right here.
Huh?
A cash register, get you a 360. Look down there.
What?
Tell me what that is. That's a cash register. Might be payday. We need a 360 though. This thing is full of water. Yeah, you either like drop it in the water and swing it underneath. All right, ready? Now just get your... All right,
I'm barely on it.
we got it.
Inside it now.
We got it. Is that a cash register? It looks like it. Oh yeah, it's gone now. Ain't no drawer. No! The drawer is gone. It's all smashed in.
Damn, where's that from?
They leave us no money.
Man.
You got a foreign cord?
It says Brazil right there.
Oh yeah, dude, them are magnetic.
Let me see it.
Or something. Look at this, guys. You just found a coin from Brazil, and then there's this weird stuff on this register. I have no clue what it is, but see if there's any more change in there. That might have came out of there.
Yeah, it might
Here. Batteries. Darn it. Rulers. Oh, a coin. It's a penny, it looks like.
Is that American?
Yeah, it's a penny. Hey, I'm a penny richer though. Don't drop them.
You got two kick, or you got a key on your magnet and a key on the gauge.
Dude, look how you got that on there.
A GMC key.
GMC, what's the other?
Buick. I was gonna go to the truck.
I got all of mine at the truck, yeah.
But I got these too.
I could.
Dude, we found over 25 easily.
These two are the best.
Which one is it? Oh, Mercedes. Dude, SRT, bro, that's nuts. All right, guys, here's another look at the old bolt-action rifle that Miles actually found. Here's some of the car keys that I found, which is insane. We got all the scrap metal loaded up in the back. And let's go take a look at his finds. As you can see, he has a whole trash can filled, lots of car fobs and keys in here, guys. And right here actually is the gun that he found. This thing is so old and gone. If you guys know what type of gun this is, please let me know in the comments below. I know it's a 25 caliber, about maybe a 22, but man, that thing is so old. I can't wait to see him clean it up and see if there actually is numbers still on it, but in this condition, I highly doubt it. Okay, so we got a new face out here. What's your name? You want to go ahead and tell people about you and who you are?
My name's Jesse. I live here in Chicago, or near Chicago. My channel is Midwest Magnet Magic, and today we had a great day. We caught tons of stuff. We got a bunch of car keys. We got a couple guns, cash register, everything. So we had a great day. I had a ton of fun. It was really cool to meet Danny and all the guys. Everyone's really nice. Awesome day.
All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Today was an insane day. 1 cash register, 2 guns, and countless amounts of stolen keys from a dealership. It's insane how much criminal evidence is actually in this river behind us, guys. I can't wait to get back here. I had a blast with the boys here today. Their YouTubes are gonna be linked down below in the description. And if you guys liked today's video, make sure to drop a like, comment down below where we should go next. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit the bell up top for post notifications so you're notified when I post. Until next time, guys, peace out and have a wonderful day. See ya.